Various entrepreneurial competencies that an entrepreneur should possess. Presented by Eduxir.com. In this video, we are going to describe various entrepreneurial competencies that an entrepreneur should possess. The various entrepreneurial competencies that an entrepreneur should possess are as follows. The first competency is creativity and innovation. Innovation and creativity are the most important core values of entrepreneurs. While creativity guides an entrepreneur to dream about creative ideas to improve an existing product or service or solve a problem, innovation guides them to put their ideas into practical use. An entrepreneur exhibits innovation by being unique and original in their solution, contributing critical inputs for a new idea, develop or improve the existing products or services, evaluating the new ideas, focusing on the solutions even when failure occurs. Go for a continuous search for problems in the society so that they can solve them. The next entrepreneurial competency is enterprise launching. Entrepreneurs should possess this competency to identify the opportunities and make best use of the resources at their disposal by launching an enterprise. This trait is what stands them apart from the crowd. The next entrepreneurial competency is enterprise management. Managing an enterprise is a crucial competency that an entrepreneur should possess. The success of the enterprise depends on the level of entrepreneur's expertise in enterprise management. They should be well acquainted with various functions in the management like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, leadership, communication, and motivation. The other entrepreneurial competency that an entrepreneur should possess is information seeking. The amount of information an organization has at its disposal plays a crucial role in the success of the organization. The entrepreneur should gather the information about changing trends in consumer behavior, market demand, new technology being introduced, competitor analysis, etc. This helps them in decision-making process, thus driving the organization towards its goal. The next entrepreneurial competency is initiative. This is one of the basic competency that every entrepreneur should possess. Taking initiative is the starting point in an entrepreneurial process. The entrepreneur should be vigilant of the consumer behavior, market dynamics, launch of new products to spot an opportunity. Once the opportunity or idea is spotted, they should take the initiative to start the entrepreneurial process. Once the entrepreneurial process is started, they should increase the pace to establish an enterprise. The next entrepreneurial competency is leadership. Many of the entrepreneurial ventures are unique and new. From the start of the enterprise to the stage where the product or service is introduced into the market, there is a lot of uncertainty associated, and the entire enterprise has to go through many hurdles and roadblocks. During this, it is essential to guide and motivate the team towards the goal. To achieve this, the entrepreneur should possess effective leadership qualities to keep the team focused on the goal of the enterprise. As a leader, the entrepreneur should exhibit strong willpower, effective business acumen, and communication skills to drive the enterprise towards the goal during difficult times. The next entrepreneurial competency is persistence. Many of the entrepreneurial ventures are unique and new, so they need a very close watch. Once the product or service is in place, it should be marketed. If the market for the new product does not exist, the entrepreneur should find new ways to create the market for selling their products or services. During this process, they encounter many hurdles. The entrepreneur should be highly persistent in their efforts and should not give up. Thus, persistency is a vital entrepreneurial competency that an entrepreneur should possess. The next entrepreneurial competency is persuasion and influencing others. While performing various entrepreneurial functions, the entrepreneur has to deal with various individuals and institutions. Thus, they should be able to persuade their ideas and influence others so that other people are ready to accept their products or services. To do so, they have to be well acquainted with the innovative features of their products or services and how their products are much better than those prevailing in the market. The next entrepreneurial competency is problem solving. The entrepreneurs start their enterprise to commercialize a new product or service. As the product or service is new and the enterprise is just started, there will be a lot of obstacles they would come across in the path of their goal. They should be capable of coming up with a number of different solutions to the problems at hand. They should seek alternative strategies and solutions. They should possess strong problem solving skills to achieve this. Quality performance is the next entrepreneurial competency. They should have a tendency to maintain quality standards in their products or services. They can achieve this by establishing their own standards or adopt the standards set by others. Maintaining high quality standards will help them to win the consumer loyalty. The next entrepreneurial competency is risk taking and risk management. As the area into which the entrepreneur is venturing is new, there will be a lot of uncertainty associated at various levels. This poses risk at various stages of entrepreneurial process. The entrepreneur should be risk taking to move ahead. At the same time, after they have started the enterprise and the risk surfaces, they should be capable of managing the risk. The next entrepreneurial competency is systematic planning. Every enterprise requires the availability of resources like time, funds, and labor. The entrepreneurs gather funds majorly from their personal savings. They put all their efforts and time to establish their enterprise. Any deviation in the planning of the enterprise activities will be disastrous and result in the collapse of their dream. In order to put all these resources to the optimum use and to spend them in the right direction, they should prepare detailed systematic planning. They should strictly implement this systematic planning to drive all of their resources towards the goal. That covers the various entrepreneurial competencies that an entrepreneur should possess. Thanks for watching. Eduxir.com is started to promote effective and efficient learning process to help the students with their learning requirements. To watch all our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please click on the bell icon to receive a notification as soon as a new video is published. Please click on the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching.